In a sense, this is the exact same stored procedure we just saw with our case statement, but instead of the case, we're going to have an if and end if statements. Take a look at this. Of course, we create the procedure. We've got our two input parameters and our out message. Now, we're going to begin and say if var1 equals var2, then set message they are equal semicolon, and then end space if semicolon. Then we start the next one. If var1 less than var2, then we set our message end if. Then we have a third if and end if, and it's going to accomplish the same thing. Now when we called this, we did it just a little bit different with different numbers. We said call this procedure 2, 2 message. It's going to go through the if and end if statements and say, wait a second, did he say 2, 2? They are equal. I have two queries here for you, example 1 and example 2. We just saw example 2. It had a series of if, end if, end if, end if, very repetitive. We're going to do the same thing in example 1, but use just a slight different technique. You see, we're going to have one if statement and one end if statement, and in between that, an else if statement, and then finally an else statement. Let's take a look at this. If var1 equals var2, then set message equal they are equal. Else if var1 less than var2, then set message equal variable 1 less. If it's not the first one or the second one, it's going to default and say then it must be else variable 1 greater.
This lesson is brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Begin your Teradata journey the right way with our Teradata Basics book. Visit coffingdw.com for more information.
Hi, this is Tom Coffing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit subscribe to make sure you are kept up to date on all our videos.